door if you need me.
Let's go right. Hey, you just help us push right.
All right.
Just don't overextend. Like, let us get to a base.
As the game starts, I push the southwestern boundary, aiming to claim some of the cluster bases here.
Jesse, watch your right. Did you get one? Nice. Where? Got him. Hey, juggernauts are supposed to kind of focus the bases and people sitting in bases, not just people out and about. Our juggernaut knows that too. That's not your role. Your role is to help your team get to bases. You're not made just to hunt people. Your role is to keep people from sitting in bases. Huh? Yes, it's for base camping. Jesse, is it clear? I'm being shot at. You should be in it, yeah. Is there anyone? Wesley! Can you clear this corner? Doug, move! Doug! Behind you! Jug! Get out of there! Get out! I tried to warn you. You did. Ooh.
At least I got one.
Yeah, that's important.
With the enemy juggernaut moving my way, I'm forced to retreat and push to a new angle.
Jesse, Jug coming at you. There's a guy in the back. I know. I don't know why he's over here. That's not helping his team. I mean, a little. That's their function. I mean, yeah, that's the function. Well, there's no flags over here.
Hey, can I get up there, you think?
What?
Can I get up to the next one?
I mean, maybe.
Oh, I see him, I see him, I see him, I see him.
Watch out.
I know. Cover me, I'll cover you.
Yeah, we see it. His brother's in that far right back. Watch out right behind you.
Again, we are pushed back before we can put pressure on this corner.
That's a lot of leg there, Viper. That shot.
Got one. I see. Oh.
Seeing an opening, I take a chance to capture one of the bases for my team.
Watch the Jug, he was coming up. Hunter, the Jug was coming up.
Thanks, man.
Yep, you're welcome. Oh.
I like that. You can't sit somewhere.
Yeah. I'm gonna go back up.
With the Juggernaut working the eastern field, I try to take another stab at the southwest border, hoping to push into those deeper bases. While scanning for enemies, I also have to be aware of my flank with that sneaky juggernaut patrolling around.
Yep, I see. Woo! Hey, Mike, watch out.
While Mike leads him away, I take up a central Overwatch.
Watch out for the... Got right here. It's Adam right in front of us. Yeah. He's a good peek shot, so be careful peeking.
While retreating for a better position, I'm shot in the back and sent to respawn. When I come back, I aim to move down the eastern border and capture the deep southern bases.
You want to go this way? Flank? Hey, over here, over here. They got the one way back there. Let's see if we can sneak back, get it, and then come up. So try. Oh, there's Dad, there's Dad.
It appears my dad had the same idea, so we regroup with him to provide aid. Going prone, I set up an ambush.
They got someone on a back wall full autoing just outside their spawn. Anyone that goes that way. So I doubt we're getting that this way at least. Ooh, you scared me for a minute. Adam's running there. Adam pushed up. Hit. It's Adam on the corner. He only has a bolt action.
I decide to use my Quake 8 to flush him out into a rush attack. My allies are quick to move up with me, giving our team a strong presence in deep enemy territory.
I think you're hitting me through here. That's not part of the window. I don't know. Yeah, a little.
With the game almost over, I rush one of their primary bases, taking a huge risk for one more flag.
Yes.
Do we have to be at the flag to respawn?
Yes. Good job.
I wasn't exactly sure.
Defending there was good.
I had my other Quake 8 out of its holster ready to clear the base, but with only 3 seconds left, it wasn't worth the shell. If you liked the video, consider dropping a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new here. Until next time, stay awesome, and hope to see you on my field.